Buenos Aires, 1816. After years of struggle and resistance against Spanish colonial rule, a group of brave leaders gathered to declare Argentina's independence. Today, we'll explore the story of Argentina's independence and the events that led up to this historic moment. Argentina was a Spanish colony for over 300 years, and during this time, the country experienced a lot of political and social changes. In 1806 and 1807, the British invaded Buenos Aires, which was then the capital of the Viceroyalty of the Rio de la Plata. These invasions marked a turning point in Argentina's history and paved the way for the independence movement. After the British were defeated, the people of Buenos Aires began to question their loyalty to Spain. Many believed that the Spanish government was not doing enough to protect them from future invasions and that they needed to take control of their own destiny. In 1810, a group of patriots gathered at the Cabildo, the colonial government building, to discuss the possibility of declaring independence from Spain. These patriots were known as the Criollos or Creoles, and they were the descendants of European settlers born in the Americas. The Criollos were led by figures such as Manuel Belgrano, Juan José Castelli, and José de San Martin, who would later become national heroes. However, not everyone was in favor of independence. Some believed that Argentina would not be able to survive without Spain's support, and others feared the consequences of challenging the Spanish Empire. Despite these concerns, the Criollos were determined to declare independence. On July 9, 1816, the Congress of Tucumán, a gathering of representatives from across the country, signed the Argentine Declaration of Independence. This document declared that Argentina was a free and sovereign nation and that it would no longer be subject to Spanish rule. The declaration was not immediately recognized by Spain or other European powers, and Argentina had to fight several wars to assert its independence. However, the declaration marked the beginning of a new era in Argentine history and inspired other countries in South America to follow suit. Today, Argentina is a vibrant and diverse country, known for its rich culture, delicious food, and passionate people. The legacy of its independence movement lives on, and the country continues to celebrate its National Day on July 9th. The anniversary of the signing of the Declaration. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Argentina's history. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Hasta luego.